There are good reasons to plant a rain garden with native plants. Native plants have deep root systems that help a rain garden absorb more water. Native plants are more drought tolerant and require less watering than a traditional lawn. And they provide food and attract beneficial birds, butterflies, and other pollinators. Rain gardens are designed to hold and absorb stormwater runoff that flows from roofs, driveways, and traditional lawns. Rain gardens reduce the amount of stormwater runoff leaving your property. Rain gardens also filter pollutants and promote groundwater recharge. Remember, everything that goes down storm drains flows directly to our streams and rivers.